Welcome once again to CookingaRounds channel. Today a very simple dish, but it's awesome. Corn on the cob. And I'm going to give you a secret. I'm going to show you the secret how to make corn on the cob absolutely perfect. You know that a lot of people overcook it or they boil it and they boil it. I'm going to show you something here that is so simple you're just going to be surprised when you are done and taste it. Here you go, fresh corn right from my local grocery shop. Now, what you need to do is to make sure that you buy people corn, not field corn. Sometimes people buy the wrong type of corn, which is for the animals. And yes, in my past, I have done that a couple of times. Guess I bought it in the wrong places. Remove all the leaves and remove all the silk. Now I want you to cut the ends off at both ends of the corn. And now you can take your knife and you can cut them in half or you can break them just like this. And the reason we do this is because of the technique I use. It's going to cook better and faster and it will be more moist. Get a large pot and bring the water to a rolling boil. Please do not add any salt for it will make the corn hard. And now I want you to put the corn inside and make sure that there is a lot of water. I want the corn to move around very freely. I don't want it cramped up with little water space. Now that we have all the corn in the pot, I want you to keep the heat on high. And now we do not need a rolling boil, just a little bit of bubbles coming up. I want you to cover it. And in about a minute, you're going to get a little roll of bubbling water like this. Now cover it again, turn off the heat, and let it sit for about 10 minutes. But and halfway through, I want you to give the corn a little stir and then put the lid back on quickly so we do not lose the heat. And here we go. It's been 10 minutes. Now, be careful. The corn is very hot. I want you to remove the corn and put it into the bowl just like this. Just look at this. Doesn't this look absolutely awesome? And when you get it all inside, I don't like to use paper. What I like to do is I put a plate on top like this, but be careful. The water is still very hot. I want you to turn it sideways over your sink and remove the excess water. Now I like my corn with salt and butter, so now I'm going to season it. I'm going to put some salt on it, just a little bit, not too much. And I'm going to shake and get it all around. And now I'm going to add butter to it. And add it here, add it there. Don't worry, it's going to melt. Hey, you could even use garlic butter if you want at this point. And once again, I let the butter melt a little bit, and now I take it and toss it. That way the butter will go evenly everywhere into the nooks and crannies of the corn, and it's going to make it taste absolutely awesome. Well, once again, thank you very much for allowing me to show you this video. Try it this way. You're going to see the corn will be absolutely tender and perfect. So, once again, it's goodbye from Tony and Cooking Around. Goodbye now.